I ditched my gas mower and switched to real mowers. And it wasn't just about saving money. It's about cleaner cuts, quieter mornings, and gear that actually makes lawn care feel good. I tested 5 real mowers, manual and electric, and each one has its own vibe. If you're tired of fumes, noise, and maintenance drama, this breakdown's for you. Let's roll. Fiskars Push Mower. This one's the real mower that made me believe manual mowing could be smooth. The inertia drive system gives it twice the cutting power of standard reels, so it glides through thick grass like butter. The StaySharp blades mean no annual sharpening, and the Versa cut height adjustment lets you dial in the perfect trim from 1 inch to 4 inches. Bonus, the reversible grass chute keeps clippings off your shoes. It's 60% easier to push than most real mowers, and it actually feels ergonomic. If you want a premium manual experience that doesn't feel like a workout, this one's a beast. Just don't let your grass get too tall. Real mowers still need regular cuts. Great States 415-16. This one's old school in the best way. Lightweight, simple, and built to last. The heat-treated alloy steel blades stay sharp longer, and the T-style handle with cushioned grips makes it comfy to maneuver. It's perfect for small lawns and tight spaces. And the adjustable height, 0.5 inches to 2.5 inches, gives you control over your cut. It doesn't have fancy tech, but that's the point. Fewer parts, less maintenance, and a clean, scissor-like cut that's better for your grass. If you want a reliable, budget-friendly reel mower that just works, this one's a solid pick. Scott's 2020-16S. This one's for folks who want real-style cutting, but with a little motorized help. It's got a brushless motor, a 16-inch cutting width, and comes with a 2.0 amp-hour battery and fast charger. You can use it manually or powered, which is clutch if you're mowing longer grass or want less effort. The foam grip and detachable handle make it comfy and easy to store. It's not as powerful as a rotary mower, but it's way quieter and better for the environment. If you want a hybrid between manual and electric, this one's a cool middle ground. Earthwise 1715-16 EW. This one's built for bent grass types like Bermuda, Zoysia, and St. Augustine. The 7-blade reel gives a super fine cut, and the adjustable height, 0.5 inches to 2.5 inches, lets you keep things tight. It's lightweight, easy to push, and the ball-bearing reel makes it smooth. The steel side plates add durability, and the T-style handle is comfy for longer sessions. And if you've got a specialty lawn and want that golf course finish, this mower is dialed in for precision. Just keep your lawn level. Uneven terrain can trip it up. American Lawn Mower 1204-14. This one's the minimalist's dream. Compact, lightweight, just 19 pounds, and perfect for small lawns. The 4-blade reel handles grass up to 4 inches tall, and the adjustable height, 0.5 to 1.75 inches, gives you a clean shortcut. It's quiet, easy to store, and ideal for quick touch-ups or tight spaces. If you're just starting out with real mowing or want something simple for a small patch, this one's a great intro. Just don't expect it to power through thick weeds. It's built for finesse, not brute force. Alright fam, that's 5 real mowers that actually make lawn care feel fresh. Whether you want manual precision, electric assist, or just a quiet way to keep your yard clean, there's a real mower that fits your vibe. Want deeper reviews, side-by-side tests, or setup tips? Smash that sub, hit like, and check the description for all products linked.